Hi, today my recipe is going to be chicken shawarma. I'm going to show you how to make the mayo, the pita bread, the salad and the chicken. So let's start. First, the meat marination. Now to this, I'm going to add half teaspoon garam masala, a pinch of turmeric and half teaspoon chili powder and some salt. Now I'm not going to add any more. I'll tell you why. Now I'm using the already marinated chicken. This consists of the red chili powder, the turmeric powder, the garam masala, curd, salt and cumin powder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix both of them. I've put the chickens together. The ingredient and the quantity for 3 to 4 servings will be given in the description. Kindly check. Now let this rest for 20 minutes. Take 150 ml of lukewarm water in a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of dry yeast. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix it well. Store in a warm place for 10 to 15 minutes. Add 300 grams of maida or all-purpose flour. Add half a teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoon oil. Give this a nice mix. Now I'm going to add in the activated yeast. Mix it well and knead this for 7 minutes. After 7 to 8 minutes of kneading, apply some oil on the vessel also. Why I am applying here is because the dough will rinse, so it should not stick. So let this rest for 1 hour to 1.5 hours. It should become double in size. So keep a cloth on top and then keep it in a warm place for 1 to 1.5 hours. Those who are trying for the first time, do not think it's very sticky or what you should add more flour. Don't do that. Keep kneading well for 7 minutes, and with the correct amount of flour and the yeast, you will get this consistency. Now for the salad, I have taken handful of cabbage, half onion sliced. I have sliced it thin, and 2 green chilies. Now to this I have added half teaspoon salt. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, or you can add 1 tablespoon lime. So to this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can also add veggies like beetroot or carrot if you wish to add. Mix this well and let this marinate for more than half an hour. I am going to make mayonnaise. This is eggless mayonnaise. 1 cup oil, half cup milk, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar, half teaspoon ground pepper, less than half teaspoon salt and less than half teaspoon mustard sauce. Mustard sauce is optional. Now the main part is that the oil and the milk should be cold. I am going to keep this in freezer for 30 minutes before blending. Now I have added the milk and the spices. Now I have also added 1 tablespoon vinegar. Now I am going to blend this for 10 seconds. I am going to add half of the oil and blend it for again 20 seconds. You can see the oil is thick. Now as you see, my mayonnaise is thick and this is perfect for the spread. Now I couldn't show you while I was grinding. I did all the ingredients first. I blend for 10 seconds. Later I added half of the oil and I blended again for 20 seconds in high speed and 10 seconds in low speed, and then the remaining oil and then again for 20 seconds, and that's it. It's done. So you can store this in air container and it will stay fresh up to 2 weeks. Keep it in the fridge. Now coming back to the chicken, this has been marinating for more than 1.5 hours. So I'm going to quickly drizzle some oil in a pan. Pour some oil. After 3 minutes, turn it to the other side. So keep doing the same way until the meat is cooked. So after a happy 10 minutes, the chicken is done. Now I'm going to let it come to room temperature because I'm going to shred the chicken. Now I've shredded the chicken well. After 1.5 hours, just look at the dough. It's double in size. Now knead this again for 5 minutes. Now just cut this into small balls. Now I'm going to roll the dough. I've sprinkled some flour. Now do not roll the dough too thick or too thin. Heat up a pan in medium flame. You don't need to add oil. When you see bubbles like this, turn to the other side. Look, it has bulged like this. Now I'm going to turn to the other side. When it's brown color like this, just remove it. And there, our pita breads are ready. Take a pita bread, add some mayo, just spread it random, add the salad, add few shredded chicken, add some mayo again on the top, and close it well. That's a delicious chicken shawarma from Tamanna's Kitchen. Do try, like, share and subscribe. Bye.